Welcome guys to this channel again, Kinspire Tech. Today I'll be showing you guys how to access free data science and financial courses for those that are going into data science and financial analysis or accounting aspect. These are free courses for you guys. Just open my normal browser. Here you see I will type 365 analysis, financial analysis. I'll just click on this. So I'll also drop a link to this site for free unlimited access to all financial courses for free for 8 days. It's counting from the day I made this video. Now 8 days is remaining. For those that want to really grab this opportunity to advance their finance career, they can just get started. Simple thing here is just to sign in your email, your login with your details, your whatever details, create an account with them, and you have a lot of courses for free. You have financial analyst career for free, investment analyst, investment banker, all this with that certificate of achievement for free. Let me just switch to my account so that you can see the courses they're offering for free. Over here is my account. I'm logged in. Over here you see financial analyst. This is the one I wanted to do. There are 24 hours of video, certificate of achievement. So these are what you learn for the financial analyst track. These are the courses that are included. All these are for free, so you can grab this opportunity now and get a quality or start a new career in financial analysis. For those that are thinking of doing that, you have just 8 days, less than 8 days to go for this free access to financial courses. I'll click on home so you see what it's all about. So here it also picks your level of when you read and move further ahead. It also picks your level and your experience too. Over here you can schedule when to start, schedule your time goal, daily goal, how many courses you want to cover, and so forth and so on. Then over here is your courses where you can select the courses you want to do. This is what I'm doing now. Then if you come over to this, you can see under financial analyst track, this financial analysis, there are 3 tracks, which is this 10 courses under financial analysis. Let me just, you can see these are 100% free for 8 days. You have these 8 days, take it up, be serious, and to achieve a very important financial courses for free. Then down here, you actually, if you click on investment analyst, you have a lot of investment analysis courses down. They're up to 10. Business analysis, intro to business analysis, 5 hours. These are the courses they're offering for free, absolutely free. Then investment banker, which you can have access to. These are actually the courses that are offered for investment banking for free, Power BI and all sorts and sorts. Grab this opportunity, excel and run with it, and the sky will be your limit. So thank you for watching.